Ladies and gentlemen, now we are starting sailing to the international airport.
Welcome to Thailand. Here, we can insulate your business and prepare you even better through a well-developed ecosystem that empowers you to adapt to an ever-changing world. As a key player in global supply chains, we can keep your business agile even under extraordinary circumstances and safeguard you from supply shortages. And here, you can tap into our strong and diverse value chain to thrive in advanced industries. Located at the heart of the ASEAN region, Thailand's world-class infrastructure for road, sea, air, and rail. And the development of high-bandwidth submarine cable systems make the country a strategic distribution hub and perfect international headquarters for businesses linking Thailand and the region to the rest of the world. Get connected and get inspired. Thanks to innovation infrastructure that nurtures investments and breakthroughs from research and development to commercialization, helping your leading-edge ideas start, grow, and succeed. Not only that, global talents are drawn to Thailand by the country's friendly working environment, vibrant lifestyle, and high standards of living at a reasonable cost. Complemented by a local talent pool with diverse skills, this competent workforce is easy for business to access. With an eye for a sustainable future, the kingdom builds on its ecological advantages to embrace the circular, green economy, paving the way for green businesses. This is in line with environmental, social, and governance initiatives and a global trend towards renewable energy, eco-friendly packaging, and low-carbon production. On top of a business-friendly environment, Thailand, through the Board of Investment, offers a suite of benefits for companies and assists them with a wide range of facilitation programs. We make it easy to invest now. All these advantages that Thailand offers reassure the security and continuity of businesses even in challenging times. No wonder there are countless reasons to invest in Thailand.